Do you know that these videos I just showed you, I shot and I edited them with my mobile phone? Do you want to know how I was able to accomplish that? Keep watching. It's for you to be able to accomplish that kind of video. Two things you need to do is this. Number one, just film an empty background. So I'm leaving this background now. So you can film it for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, as the case may be, as you want it to be. So when you are done filming, then you cut. So you do another video of you walking into the background. Then you walk in, and then you do the pose you want to do. You can do something like this. Any style, you can even squat. It depends on the one you want to do. Do you understand? So once you are done filming that, then save the video and let's head over to Capcut. So guys, we are going to click on the Capcut app. You click on it and then click on new project. Click on it. So we are going to select that particular video where I was walking to the background. So I'll just search for it now. So I'll click on it and then click on add. I don't need the sound, so I want to silence the sound. I don't need it at all for this tutorial. I don't need it. So click on volume and take it to 0. So just watch and see. So this is it. So immediately I bend, I'll just stop like that. Just stop it, and the next thing you will do is this. Click on split. So like I said before, I said you can do any style you want. It can be a jumping style, squatting, whatever style it is you want to do. Once you just start the style, like you are just about doing it, then just click on split and then delete the remaining part of that video. Do you understand? Delete the remaining part of that video, and like this. So I've deleted it. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to click on this plus sign. Then I'm going to add the plain background where I was not standing there. There was no object. I was not there. Do you understand? So that is what I'll be adding. And then I'll just click on this one here. So this is the plain background. So you click on add. So let me play it for you to see. So guys, did you see it? I just added the first video of when I was walking in, and then I just did my style. Then I added another video of the background where I was not there. Do you understand? It's the first one. So that is why when you are doing this kind of video, you don't need to move your phone or your tripod stand. Leave it in one particular spot so that everything will work together. So this is it. So for you to make it more realistic, you can add a sound. Yes, you can add a sound. So how do you do that? Take this line, this white line, take it to the next one here, like to the middle. Take it to the middle and then click on audio, then click on sound. You can just type effects. I just want to show you something. Effects, you click on the search bar and then let's just wait for it to open. So these are different sound. You understand? Different sound. You can create time to check it out. Different sound. There is this particular effect that I normally use, like that will work perfectly for this kind of tutorial. So the name of the effect is power charge. So I'll just type power charge. It's here, but I need to scroll down, like start looking for it. It will take time. So I just search for power charge and then click on search. So it will come out. So I will go with this first one, this one of 1 second. So click on this icon to download it. So guys, did you hear that? So this is the effect we'll be adding. This is what will make it more realistic. Click on the plus sign and let me play it now for you to see. So guys, did you see that? Now this is the first disappearing video. The second one I want to show you now is this. Just watch, follow me. So that's for the first one. So we are going to do the second disappearing video before we do the one for appearing. So we are going to click on this plus sign again, and then we are going to add that video where I was working in. So guys, this is the video. Let me just play it for you to see again. Please follow this tutorial, like just follow it. So this is it. This is just me explaining. This is the style I want. Do you understand? This is the style I want. So I will just split it from here. I will split it from here, then I will delete the other parts. Click on delete. The next thing we are going to do is this. We are going to freeze this particular one. We are going to freeze it. And how do you freeze? You click on the video, then you swipe to your right hand side, you search for freeze. So this is it, freeze. Click on freeze, and then we have successfully freeze this video. Let me show you. So guys, did you see that? So now that we have freeze this video, we are going to do an effect on it right away. We're going to do an effect on it right away. So just make sure that this white line is in between these two videos, like this, in the middle, and then you click on this last one, this one that you freeze. You click on it, and you click on style. Click on style, and then this is it. So you start searching. Just swipe to your right hand side. So this is trending now. This is velocity. This is AI painting. So it's under AI photo. So this is AI photo. So you still swipe, and then when you get to particles, you stop, because we are going to use the one for particle. So we are using this first one here, particles, the first one. The reason is because it's faster. It's not something that is supposed to slow down, because Capcut did not give us the ability to maybe increase the speed or decrease it. It's just the way they gave us. That's how we use it. There's no way you can increase or decrease it. So you click on particles, click on the first one, click on it, and just wait for it to apply. It doesn't take time, so let's just wait a bit. So guys, this is it. Now we are not done with the editing. There are still stuff that we need to do here for it to look more realistic. So let me play it and let's do the editing together. So as you can see, it did not just start like that. So for us to make it more realistic, you have to click on this particular video here, click on split, and then remove this part. Let's see if we've got, okay, it's perfect. This is perfect, guys. Can you see? So immediately you freeze and you've added your effect. Please rewatch the video to see if there's any adjustment you need to do. So that is that for that. So we are done with the disappearing aspect. So this disappearing aspect, for you to also make it more realistic, you can also go ahead and add your sound. And how do you do that? You take this white line to this other, to the middle, then click on audio, click on sound, then we're still going to search for power. Okay, power charge is already here. Just click on it, and then click on the plus sign. So let's check and see. So guys, did you see that? So this is it. It's very easy. So we are done with the disappearing part. So for us to do the reappearing, so this is what you need to know. Now you click on this plus sign, and then you add the video of the, is it empty background I should call it now? Okay, the video of the background without me showing, just add it, and then click on add. So this is the background, there's nobody. Click on this add, and then you bring in that video where you are working in again. Guys, hope you are still watching this video. So this is it. So I'm just going to get the a spot maybe where I was squatting or where I was about jumping up. Do you understand? So like I said before, use your style. Any style you know that will work perfect for you, use it. So I'm still trying to get a spot. So let's watch and see. Okay, this is it. So I'll just go with this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'll click on the photo, on the video, click on split, and then I'll delete this part. Delete, I don't need it. So let's watch and see. So guys, after you've gotten that exact part that you want, so you click on this line of division here, and then you select any transition that you know will be best for you. So the one I normally use is this vertical blur. So it works. This line you are seeing 0.1 seconds to 0.9 seconds, it's like the speed how you want it to be. If you take it to 0.9, it means that you don't want it to be too fast, but if you take it to 0.1, you want it to just enter once. So I don't want it to be too fast, that's why I just had to use 0.9, and it's still okay. Let me play it for you to see. So guys, did you see that? So this one is just like this appearing. This reappearing is just like you adding a empty background, then add another one that you are jumping or you are squatting. Do you understand? And then add your transition that I just showed you just now. Add it, and for you to make it more realistic, you need that effect. So how do you add that sound effect? I've told you before, but we need to do that because this is the tutorial stuff. So how do you do that? You click on, you make sure this line is in between, and then you click on sound. We already have it here because we've been using it. Then you click on power charge, then you click on this plus sign. So this is it. So let me just play it for you to see. So guys, this is the tutorial. This is what it's all about. Very easy. Just try it out. If you notice, during my own tutorial I added songs to it. This is how I added the song, in case you are wondering how did I add song and add sound at the same time. So let me just show you with one how I was able to add that sound, and I got that sound from audio library, YouTube audio library. Please don't use any copyrighted music because YouTube, they will give you copyright. So make sure you use music from audio library. So how did I do that? I clicked on sound, click on this second one here, then you click on device. So you just search. I have music here that I downloaded from audio library. So the one I use is Palace of Roses. Click on this plus sign, and this is the song. Let me play it. So guys, did you see that? So you can always do it to, you click on volume to increase or decrease the sound. Do you see that? So this is it. So when you are done, you click on this plus sign. So if you, the way I was able to get it is, so this is where the effect started from. That is the sound effect for the disappearing and appearing. So this is where it started from. So what I did is this: I made sure I was clicking on the sound, and then I clicked on split. So I deleted the split. So when I was done with this, I came to this other side and I did the same thing. So guys, that is all for this video. But if after watching this video there's still something you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. I will come and explain to you specially. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Thank you so much. And I really hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe to my channel, on the notification bell, so that when I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. And always feel free to ask me for any video, like if you want me to do a tutorial or talk about a particular topic concerning YouTube growth, just let me know in the comment section. Feel free to always ask and I will deliver. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.